Social justification of economic efficiency. One of the central concepts of economic science is that of efficiency. Understood both in a technical and economical sense, it implies an economic state in which every resource is distributed to its most valuable uses while waste is minimized or eliminated. While the convenience for society of the concept of technical efficiency, according to which those productive methods that satisfy it can reach a certain level of production using something less than one factor and not more than the others, and it does not need an additional logical justification to understand its positive effects about society. The same does not happen if the second requirement is considered so that a production method can be considered fully economically efficient. In terms of production, goods are produced as the bottom possible cost as are the variable inputs of production. To demonstrate the importance that economic efficiency has for society, we will use the following plane where we will analyze the behavior of any entrepreneur. If we consider on one hand the total cost this can assume, accordingly we define based on the extreme point its isocost curve, the slope of which will be remembered reflects the relative price of the factors. The equilibrium shall be defined when the isocost is tangent to the isoquant, thus establishing the initial production method technically and economically. Consider next a reduction in the price of the capital that will trigger a change in the slope of the isocost. Given the new value adopted by the relative price of the factors, it would be worth considering. Had this price of capital been initially, how could that level of production have been obtained? To answer this question, we will proceed to move the new isocost in parallel until it is changed to the initial isoquant curve, determining a new production method that now uses more of the factor that has become cheaper, capital. In this way, using it with greater intensity, the most abundant productive resource has been reoriented in relative terms, that is, the one with the lowest cost. In this way, we can understand how the same product can be produced efficiently in different parts of the world without employing the same production method. The society, thanks to this mechanism, will intensify the use of the production method that uses the factor in its almost abundant will have optimally oriented the resources it has.